Hello everyone, welcome to part 65 of Laravel 11 series, in which we are getting the e-commerce website with Laravel and MongoDB. So we will continue working on the product filter, and in this part we are going to filter the products by price. Okay, so let's start. So in the last part we have seen that we able to filter the products by brand. Up till now we have done the filtration by size, brand, color. Okay, so now we are going to work on the price filter. So you can find the instruction under the video. You can find the steps that we are required to take to integrate the this price filter. Okay, so first step is that we are required to modify at the left sidebar. Okay, so we are going to make the filter uh, like this. Oh, okay, so we are not going to do it in such a way. We will show the filter like 0 to 1000, 1000 to 2000, 2000 to 3000, like this. Okay, so we are going to modify the left sidebar divs. Okay, this filter, and that we are going to modify in the filters blade file. Let's see the price. Okay, so I'm going to search for the price, and here comes the price filter, and that we are going to remove, and we'll add this filter. Let's see that how it looks. I'm going to refresh it, and you can see the filters are here. Price filter like 0 to 1000, 1000 to 2000, 2000 to 5000, 5000 to 10,000, 10,000 to 1 lakh. Okay, so this you can modify as per your requirement. Okay, you can modify them as well. Here in the array you can modify like if you want like 5000, like 0 to 5000, then 5000 to 10,000, then you can modify it like this. Okay, so it's up to you that what elements you want to send in this array, what price list you want to give. Okay, so after this we will simply directly integrate this one, this price filter in the listing function. Okay, so I'm going to open the controller at the front, and here we will add it in the query as well, and this is the update query for the price filter. So that we are going to add after brand filter, we are going to add this price filter as well. Okay, so here we can simply mention it like the price filter. Okay, so here we are just taking the price from the URL from here, like if I will select like some of the price, like I'm going to select, see it's gone away, it start working, and here you can see like the price is coming here to 0 hyphen 1000. Like if I will select here the 1000 to 2000, then you can see the both the products are coming under the 1000 to 2000. Okay, so both the products are coming now 1350 as well as the 2000, and here you can see price is coming from 0 to 1000, then 1000 to 2000. Okay, and in between the tilde is coming. Okay, so now I'm going to check for the 2000 to 5000. Here once again you can see 0 to 1000, 1000 to 2000, and 2000 to 5000. Okay, so we will get the first value as well as the last value. Okay, we are going to check it like this, like which is the first and which is the last value. We need to find all the products in between. Okay, so that we need to take care of, and also you can see here like if I will remove this one, I'm going to remove this one, I am going to remove this one as well, and here you can see 1000 to 2000, that product is gone away. That is the price with the 1350 price. Okay, that price is the 1350, so that's why it is gone away. Like you can see now I just want 2000 or above products, so that's why if I will uncheck this one, that product is gone away. Okay, and if I will check this one and uncheck this one, then even then it's coming, because 2000 is also the part of this check as well. Okay, because here we want to show the products from 1000 to 2000. Okay, but here in 2000 to 5000 only this product will come, as that product price is very less, 1350. Okay, so this price filter is working fine, and here see we have picked these prices. Here first we check that the prices are coming in Ajax or in refresh. Okay, whatever that comes in the request. Okay, so after that we have just use the str replace to replace this tilde sign with the hyphen, and after that we have explored it with the hyphen, and then we have count that prices array, so that we have used in the query. Here you can see we have used the where between. okay, and we have compared it with the final price, because the final price is actually contain the discount as well, okay. So that's why we have compared it with the final price, okay, minimum as well as the maximum. So this condition we have used, okay. So that will make our task possible. So let's see in the another step in the for each loop as well. Right now it is not selecting, like if I will refresh, it will not select any of the price, okay, though it is showing at the top. So that's why we are required to modify here in the for each loop. We are required to just simply add this one price check, so that we can able to check that as well, and here as well we will modify this like this, okay. So now we are going to check, and now you can see that we able to check like these two filters we have checked. So that's why these two are coming. Like if I will remove this one, just one product is coming, I will refresh the page as well, and you can see we able to show this filter. And this URL you can send any of your friend, you can send, like you can tell them that these are the products that belongs, that are having the above 2000 price, 2000 and above 2000 price, that you can select from, okay. So you can select easily. So that's why it is checking this one, so that that filter page you can use it, okay. So let's check the last step now. Last step is we are required to update the pagination. In the pagination we are required to send this price as well, price filter as well. So that's why we are required to add this one on the here in the condition price, as well as we are going to send here this one there as well at the last, okay. Here at the last we are going to send it after brand. We are going to add this price as well, okay. After brand we are going to add this price as well. So that thing we have done. Now we will test once again that it is working fine, okay. I will remove this t-shirts, just t-shirts category we are going to check. And here, like if I want to see the 2000 above 2000 products, then I will check this one, it is working fine. And even after refresh it is working fine, okay. And it must work with the other products as well. Like if I select the blue, then it will not come. If I will check here the red, then it must come. So it is working with the other filters as well, like price as well as the color, both we are using now, okay. So so that price filter we have also done. Now in the next part we will also do some other filter, okay. So stay tuned for that. And one more thing I want to tell you, that there is the another channel, another my personal channel, that you can also subscribe if you are interested. I am going to tell you that channel name is youtube.com original hub, where I used to post the original videos. I used to post the places and products videos with my wife, okay. So this is the channel. Just you can subscribe if you are interested. If you belong to India, then you can find many places, and even if you are from some other country, you can find the Indian places. I explored many Indian places with my wife, okay. And here you will find very interesting videos that you can find the places, okay. You can find many beautiful places like in North India as well as in the South India hill stations, okay. And you can find many product reviews as well. We used to give the product reviews. If you are from India, you will get many household items product reviews as well, that you can always purchase, okay. So you will get the ratings as well. You will get the, so if you are belong to any other country, then you can explore India from these videos as well. So you can simply subscribe the channel if you are interested, okay. That name is the original hub. You can simply search this one in on net as well, original hub, and you can find the channel name is here. This one is the original hub, okay. Yeah, that you can find, and you can simply subscribe, okay. So that's all for now. In the next part we will continue working on the other filter that are pending, okay. So so stay tuned for that. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.